Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we've got another unboxing today. So these spiders come from Phil Dunn. He's a friend of mine on Facebook. I've bought spiders from him before. I've got some Monocerops balfouri slings which have gone into my big communal. So yeah, let's see what we got in this one. So there we have it. Caribbean versicolor male, so this is sub-adult. And Caribbean versicolor adult female. Pretty sure that's what should be in the box. Yep. So I've got the enclosures ready for these two. So the female will be going into this Exoterra Nano tool, and the male will be going into this cylinder. I've added some extra holes around back and on the side for some extra ventilation. Kept the front clear for viewing. A nice cork bark up against the side there for him. Yeah, so let's get these unpacked and housed. Look how beautiful they are. So like I say, this is a sub-adult male, so it's not mature yet, so we just need to wait for it to mature before we can start pairing it with the female that I got. It is absolutely beautiful. Come on, little guy, go down into your new home. Not that way. That's it, down you go. Down. No, down, not up. Come on. Down you go. There you go. Get the lid on before he decides to run again. Now it's time for the female. You can see the purples in Absolutely stunning. See if I can get another light on it. Just on that one leg. Absolutely beautiful. Camera's finding it hard to focus. So let's just get her out and we'll get her in her enclosure, no messing about. It's actually facing the other way. So. Get a closer look at her. I forgot to mention on the last video, picked up this another avicularia, and this is a female, a small young female. As you can see, she's only really small, so she's like a sub-adult, but she had laid a phantom sac at the shop I work at, so I know it's definitely a female. So now I've got two. Just need to find a mature male for my bigger female, after the last egg sac that she dropped was a dud. I don't think I've actually mentioned it on the channel, so yeah, I've got some clips somewhere. I shall play them if I can find them. Yeah, so I pulled the egg sac. They were just eggs. I tried incubating them, and unfortunately they just didn't go any further than that, you know, so it's a bit disappointing, but we shall try to find another male and we will give her another go this year. Hopefully a better year. Got a lot of breeding projects on the go at the moment, which is I will cover in the next video. So if you want to see any more, then please obviously subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for coming along.